He lost his $450,000 job in one meeting, and 6 months later, he was making money again in a way no one expected. Mike Gadding was 58 years old from Texas. For 35 years, he worked in construction. He wasn't just good at his job. He was respected. People listened when Mike spoke. He delivered results. He solved problems. And he was paid $450,000 a year for it. He had built a life that looked strong from the outside. But inside that house, there was pain that never really left. 10 years ago, Mike and his wife Linda lost their only son. A road accident. On his way home from school, Linda was never the same again. For 5 long years, she barely spoke. She left her job as a consultant advisor after her son's death. She stayed in her room, trapped in memories. Mike carried everything: the job, the house, the pain. The day everything fell apart started like any other Tuesday. Mike walked into the office like always, coffee in hand, files ready. His boss called him in. No discussion. "Mike, we're letting you go." Mike blinked. He thought it was a joke. "Excuse me?" "Company restructuring." But Mike knew it was politics against him. He had no choice left. 35 years of loyalty, gone in 5 minutes. Mike walked out holding a box. That same office, where people once stood when he entered. Now, no one even looked at him. He sat in his car for 20 minutes, staring, hands shaking. How do I tell Linda? When he got home, Linda was in the kitchen. She was cooking, a small smile on her face. Mike stood at the door, just watching. "I lost my job." The spoon slipped from her hand. First month after he lost his job, he was confident. "I'll find another job easily." He updated his resume, applied everywhere. Nothing. By the second month, savings were running out. The bills didn't stop. The pressure kept building. Mike stopped sleeping properly. Third month, reality hit hard. Mike sat at the table. "I'll take a 40% pay cut. I'll even work for $250,000. I just need something." This was a man who once led teams. Now he was lowering himself just to survive. And Linda just looked at him. Then she said something that changed everything. "Why are you begging for a job when you know more than the people hiring? You have 35 years of experience. Why don't you start your own consulting work?" Mike laughed at first, but something clicked. The first step? He started small. From his house, he reached out to small contractors, offered consulting for $500 to $1,000 per project. First 2 weeks, nothing. Then one client came. $800. It wasn't big money, but it was hope. Meanwhile, Linda changed too. She started cooking daily simple meals. She recorded videos on her phone. She posted on YouTube and Facebook. At first, 50 views. Then, 200. Then, 1,000. "Can you sell this?" people asked. Linda took a chance and started selling homemade food locally. First week earnings, $120. Second week, $260. By the end of the first month, she made around $900. For someone who hadn't worked in years, this was huge. Mike slowly got more clients. 3 projects in a month, around $2,500. Next month, 5 projects, $4,200. By month 3, he was making around $6,000 a month. 6 months later, everything changed. Steady clients. $8,000 to $10,000 a month. No office politics, no boss, just his experience finally working for him. Linda's cooking videos grew fast, and people started trusting her. She expanded spice mixes, ready meals, weekly orders. 6 months later, $3,000 to $4,000 month from a phone, from her kitchen, from her pain. They weren't making $450,000 a year anymore. Together, they were earning $11,000 to $14,000 a month. More importantly, they had peace, control, and purpose. One evening, Mike sat outside the house, looking at the sunset. Linda joined him. He said something quietly. Getting fired was the best thing that ever happened to me. Not because losing the job was easy, because it forced him to see something he had ignored for years. He didn't lose his job. He lost his dependence on someone else's decision. If you're watching this right now, and life just hit you hard, maybe you lost a job. Maybe you feel stuck. Listen carefully. Sometimes, the thing that breaks you is the exact thing that rebuilds you. Don't just wait for opportunity. Create it. And if this story made you feel something, don't scroll away. Share it with someone who needs to hear this today. Because one message can change someone's entire life.